Installed on my 2019 server. CryptoStopper server is compatible with 2012, 2016, 2019 Windows servers. It's installed on a server with the intent of protecting server shares from ransomware. Since the workstation is typically a front that gets the ransomware downloaded to it, that ransomware then enumerates the network shares and tries to attack those. So CryptoStopper server is designed as a last line of defense to detect and stop ransomware that goes lateral and attacks those network shares. Once CryptoStopper is installed, we have a simple setup process. We have to go into settings and configure the company name and email address for notification, and then we enter Active Directory domain credentials. The domain credentials are configured so that we can send a shutdown command to an infected workstation, and by default we've got auto updates and auto protect new users checked by default. So once CryptoStopper is installed and you have configured the settings, the only thing you have left to do is to configure protection against the server shares. The way that we do that is we click the Add Remove button to open the Add Remove folder window, expand the tree here, and then we can search for those shares. So I have a number of shares on this system, including Hawksoft, test data, and test data 2. I simply select those shares. CryptoStopper will select those folders 3 layers deep and protect those with the hidden honeypot file system. So once I click Save and Close, CryptoStopper will deploy that protection mechanism and the folders will be protected. So what CryptoStopper will actually do is it will protect the shares by deploying a hidden honeypot file system to them. And if we look at one folder as an example, if we look at this folder, we can see we can see several departmental directories in this share. If I open the folders, I can see data directories within those folders, and then I can see company data files. If I go back to the roots and I turn on hidden files, now we'll actually see CryptoStopper's hidden honeypot file system. So these are the files that are deployed and waiting for any sort of ransomware activity. Once ransomware activity is detected, then CryptoStopper will enact its detection mechanism and stop that ransomware attack and isolate the infected system and shut it down.